You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong.
Hey loves, it's your girl Ito Ray. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a clean with me inside of my bedroom, also my master bathroom. I will put up some Christmas decorations inside of my master bathroom that I will show at the end of the video. Also, a lot of people said they would like for me to talk through my video, so I will be talking through this one.
All that I need, I'm telling you why. This ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors.
On my dresser, I'm using the Grove Collaborative Glass Cleaner in the Method Wood Polish.
This ain't no sugar-coated love. I stay in bed, I still got the feeling that you're next to me, stuck in my head. When lights go off, you're everything that I could ever want. Your touch so soft, not looking for no, oh no. Wherever I go, cause I got you, I got you. No one's up, oh oh. Show us up, show my own. All that I need, I'm telling you why. This ain't no madness. The smoke in the mirrors, our memories now. The silence come down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't no sugar-coated love. Yeah, this ain't sugar-coated love.
So for some odd reason, my camera just all of a sudden got dark right here. It does lighten back up though.
When you hold me so tight, the world just disappears in front of my eyes.
Triple A, credits alright. Hang up the phone and let your heart break.
I'm wiping down my mini fridge with my Method All-Purpose, and it's in the lavender scent.
But she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. He wants you to return his love. Breathing in the dark, weightless, working hard. He wants you to return his love. Now he's beating diamonds on you, but that ain't enough to turn the page. He's kneeling, wants to feel known, but he's not the one who goes away. That ain't enough to turn the page. Leash is off, suit is on point. Won't cause a scene or stir up no clash on second thought. Venice by fourth. She's on the job, but she's staying on Wilshire Boulevard. Old dreams dying hard. He wants you to return his love. Breathing in the dark, weightless, working hard. He wants you to return his love.
The products I use to clean my bathroom include the Method Foam and Bathroom Cleaner in a eucalyptus mint scent. I use bleach. I use Dawn dish soap inside of my little scrub brush. I use the Grove Collaborative Glass Cleaner, Barkeeper's Friend Soft Cleaner, Pinesol inside of my mop water, and also the Method Antibac Spearmint for my toilet, and a Clorox toilet wand.
That ain't enough to turn the page. He's not the one thing. You got enough on your plate. Got enough on your plate. He's not the one, babe. No, you should've known it's too late. Should've known it's too late. Yeah, should've known.
To let the money come between us, they not incapable to feel us, yeah.
Right here, I'm just cleaning all the shelves that were on the shower caddy.
Why don't we just take the stacks and go to pizza, yeah. That way you could lean away with all the people, yeah. Oh my God, looking at my squad, they be acting Gucci, like I'm a rookie. Looking at me like, why do you go hard? Cause goddamn, I'm on a cruise ship. I do whatever that I want. Better understand, cause I don't know where I should start. Level out the score, cause yeah, I'm finna start. You don't even know, but baby, that's just how we are. That's just how we are now. And you don't even talk to me. I had to tell myself, don't leave. Baby, why don't you come with me? Hiking up that hill, that's easy. Oh my God, look at all my sauce. See me going crazy, like in the 80s. Looking at me like, where are all my flaws? I don't know, I'm feeling lazy. Don't even care now, all up in Japan right now. I'm pushing for that moolah like a friend out now. That 808 be kicking like a penthouse now. Don't wanna do this shit without my friends right now. You don't have to let the money come between us, they not even capable to feel us, Why don't we just take the stacks and go to pizza, yeah. That way we could lean away with all the people. stallions, stallions. We the Italian stallions,
You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over. You cry
When I'm done cleaning my toilet with my wand, I like to wipe it down with Lysol wipes.
much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger than they will ever be. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Keep on shining. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful? No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, then we'll shout it out louder.
It's my favorite part of it all, when you and me deck the halls, making everything look just like it should at Yuletide. The parcels are all under the tree, right where they should be. Soon everything is Christmas-fied, Disney bonafide. And so are all of you. Does this come true? Does this come true?
So I want to thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you enjoy these types of videos in general, hit that subscribe button because I will be posting more. But I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.
Let's savor this, and underneath the mistletoe get a kiss. The rest of the year may be hard to come by, so right